Hello and good day to you. Today we are now in my lovely Mercedes, and as you can see there is winter time now in Finland, and there is some kind of very annoying whining noise coming from a blower motor. Of course now it's not doing it, but it has been done many times now. I think it's something doing with cold temperature and this low humidity, so I think it's some kind of, maybe bearings needs to be lubrication or something. But as you can see now, there is this normal sound, there is no whining, but it does with this, especially with this second setting, with this blower setting. I'm gonna show how to remove that blower motor, and then we're gonna tear down it and make some lubrication or check out if there is something more wrong with it. So the blower motor is behind this cover. We need to remove that screw and that screw there. This is, you just maybe half turn or less, and then you can remove this. This screw is normal. Just put your fingers here and pull. Oh fuck, my fingers. Okay, so now it's loose. I need to put light. Okay, the cover is now loose off, and the blower is behind this box. We have to remove it. These clips. Those clips, and then just pull. Okay, now it's okay. What the hell? There is some missing screws. Okay, now we find those. I lost those before. Okay, so here is the blower, and as you can see there is there 3 or 4 hexagon bolts you have to, or screws you have to remove, and then you can take this off. This electric connector, take these out first, and then those screws. Okay, now I placed this motor to vice and put some electric on it. I have a DC power supply. I can put voltage here, but as you can see this is not running so well or spinning, but I don't know is this just because this is brushed motor and those brushes make some traction. But if I put voltage here, I can spin it. I think this is normal sound. There is nothing wrong right now. But I'm still gonna tear down this and clean it and lubricate it, because this is now off the car. I think if I remove these screws, then that motor became loose of this bracket, and then we can see more. Okay, I take this bracket off with those two screws. It was a little bit tight to remove this from this motor, but it came loose. If you want to check out those brushes, you just need to unclip this, and then you can remove that clip, and there is this kind of spring, and then you can remove brush. And these are still good, maybe halfway of. This is not a problem. I'm gonna remove this, I don't know what to call it, some kind of lock, and then I can remove this bracket from this fan blade. Here is where this one made. Year was 1995. Okay. Okay, I made my decision and tear down this for good. In this end, you don't have to remove anything. I removed that, but it's not it's not good anymore. But this axle still hangs here. It cannot be removed. But if you want to clean and lubricate this kind of fan, you have to put this fan somewhere where it's secured, and then tap this axle end. So this one came off of that, and now yeah, as you can see, there is dirt and dust. I'm gonna clean all this, and then I'm gonna put some lubrication there and there and there, everywhere where this axle meets this chassis. As you can see, this is compressed, so you cannot disassemble this more. But I'm gonna now clean this and lubricate, and then put back together. This is done. I can't use it, but it's not matter. This can't come off without this. Alright. Okay, now it's nice and clean. I clean it with brake cleaner, and I decided to use this multi-purpose silicone oil for lubrication for this. I also find out there is that kind of, it's maybe something to do it with balance. I think this is must be in purpose there. It cannot be anything else. But yeah, I now put that oil in these places, and then I'm gonna put this back together. Okay, now it's back together and it's spinning. Yeah. Next I'm gonna place it back in the car and tell maybe in the comments in the future, is the problem gone or is it still there? Thanks for watching.